This is not my only YouTube channel. One of my channels has over 10,000 subscribers, and while that's definitely not massive compared to many large channels, it's a lot to me. My wife's channel is also small, but growing. I also have some tiny channels, some dead channels, and some channels that never really even started. The channel that has 10,000 subs is now consistently making me over $1,000 every month, and that's from Google AdSense alone. And some months I've even made over $2,000 and $3,000. I think I've mentioned that a few times on this channel. So some of you have asked me what channel I'm referring to when I talk about all the money that I'm making on YouTube. Obviously, this channel isn't monetized, and many of you are quick to point that out. That's okay, I get it. You're just trying to figure out if I'm legit. You know that you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 365 days in order to be monetized. So obviously this channel doesn't qualify for that yet. So what channel am I talking about when I talk about all this money that I'm making from YouTube? Well, I won't give you the channel name just yet. I'll save that for when I hit 250 subscribers, and I'll tell you why. I want this channel to stand on its own 2 feet until then. I want to prove to you and to YouTube and even to myself that I can grow a channel from scratch without any boost from any of my other channels. And as soon as I mention what my other channels are, I'm afraid that the audiences will become integrated, and I don't want that just yet. My other channels have very distinct audiences from this one, and I want to keep it that way, at least for now. And while 250 subscribers definitely isn't huge, it's on its way. At that point, it's an established channel, and it's showing that it can grow, especially if you get that 250 subscribers within a reasonable time frame. So I think if I can grow this channel to 250 subscribers, I'll be ready to integrate my channels further at that point. So I won't tell you the channel name just yet, but I will tell you the niche. It's a family vlog. But it's not just any family vlog. My youngest daughter is severely disabled, so the channel is all about how we care for her and how we continue to have hope and joy even throughout all the difficulties of life. Now, even by telling you that much, I'm a little afraid of 2 things. One, you might say to me or to yourself that of course that kind of channel will grow fast because it's different from so many other channels. But I think I would respond to you that every person and every family has something unique about them that could impact thousands of people all over the world. Even though our family is a little bit different, we're also very average. I'm just an average guy. But 2, I'm also a little afraid that by telling you about that channel, I'm opening myself up to criticism on this channel. The truth is, whenever you post anything to YouTube, you're opening yourself up to criticism. A few people have commented on that channel that I'm exploiting my daughter for views. But the truth is, it's just normal life for us. We're sharing what our normal lives look like. It includes pain and it includes joy. And I hope you can understand that if any family can have a vlog that makes money on YouTube, what makes our family any different? So I've struggled through all that, and that's where I've landed. So for your own channel, be aware that there will always be critics. So be absolutely prepared in your own mind to know why you're doing what you're doing, and be sure that that's what you want to do. Anyway, that's why I hesitate to share the channel that's making us a considerable amount of income at this point. But hey, if that's not satisfying enough to you at this point, help me get to 250 subscribers as soon as possible by clicking that subscribe button. And I'll let you know all about my other channels and how specifically each one of them has grown to the point that they have. And I want you to know that if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.